Good morning everyone and welcome to News Bulletin of Vivekananda World School of this month. I am Muskan Sharma studying in grade 10 in Vivekananda World School.
And I Rubab Sharma from grade 9 in Vivekananda World School. And the news headlines of January month are: the Tiny Tots of VWS celebrated their New Year digitally.
Quiz competitions were held in the school premises to enhance the general knowledge of the students.
An activity was organized on 7th January to pay tribute to Shakuntala Devi.
On 9th January, Mr. Gaurav Sagar Bhaskar, chairman of Vivekananda World School, was awarded as an emerging leader in school education 2020.
On 12th January, National Youth Day was celebrated in the school premises to mark the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda.
Various science experiments were performed by the students.
On 13th January, Lodi celebration was held in the school campus.
On Army Day, an outdoor trip to Barki Memorial was arranged on 15th of January for the students.
We at VWS organized an activity for the students to tell them about the importance of voting.
On 19th of January, birth anniversary of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji was celebrated.
All-Air Weapon Championship was also organized under the aegis of District Rifle Association, Firozpur.
Virtual activities were organized for the toddlers to make them understand the concept related to their syllabus.
The Parents-Teachers Partnership Program, that is PTM, was also organized on 23rd January.
The 72nd Republic Day was celebrated on 25th of January in the school premises. Virtual fancy dress competition was also organized for toddlers.
Vivekanandans visited Gandhi Garden on 30th January to remember the martyrdom day of Mahatma Gandhi.
And now, the news in details are:
the Tiny Tots of VWS celebrated their New Year digitally by offering prayers to the Almighty to heal all the sufferings of 2020 and seek blessings from the Divine for the happiness and well-being of everyone.
Quiz competition were held on 5th January to encourage students to look beyond their textual knowledge and establish relationship between theory and application of the learned concept. The students who excelled in the competition were honored.
An activity was organized on 7th January to pay tribute to Shakuntala Devi, the great Indian mathematician, writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer. Mr. Paramveer Sharma, Chief Administrator, explained the concept of calculating area and perimeter of mixed figures to the students in Maths lab.
On January 9, Mr. Gaurav Sagar Bhaskar, chairman of Vivekananda World School, was awarded as Emerging Leader in School Education 2020. Honorable Justice T.N. Valinayanagam, Judge Lok Adalat and former Judge High Court, Madras, along with Dr. Ashalata Radhakrishnan, SCT, IMSG, Tirunvandapuram and Dr. Santosh Kumar Mishra, IIT Kanpur, honored Mr. Gaurav Sagar Bhaskar with an award for Emerging Leadership in School Education for his meritorious contribution in education field.
On 12th January, National Youth Day was celebrated in the school premises to mark the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, the monk who changed the world with his thoughts and work. Special activities were organized for the students like fancy dress, poster making, slogan writing and PowerPoint presentation to express the impact of Swami Vivekananda on Indian philosophy. The children who outperformed in the activities were honored.
To promote the development of scientific thinking, science experiments were conducted by the students twice in every week that would help them to discover and understand things and the world around them.
On 13th January, Lodi celebration was held in school campus. It was celebrated with full fervor and grandeur by the Vivekanandans. Special performances were organized, including folk songs, cultural dance amid bonfire. The students participated in the activities with great exuberance. The students of grade 8th and 9th visited Sikh Kanya Mahavidyalaya Senior Secondary School, located at Kucha Ramji Das, Firozpur city, to celebrate Lodi. Vivekanandan saluted the ideology of the founder of this great institution established in 1890 to impart education to girls.
On Army Day, an outdoor trip to Barki Memorial was arranged on 15 January for the students. The motive behind this was to honor the soldiers of our country who have set the greatest example of selfless service for nation. The students paid tribute to the brave hearts by giving Thanksgiving speeches.
Voting is an expression of opinion or preference. It is the responsibility of citizens. We at VWS organized an activity for the students to tell them the importance of voting. The activity in charge informed the students it is the right of the citizens to vote, as voting is a very important part of democratic process. Students enacted as voters during the activity and they choose the party of their choice by giving their valuable votes.
On 19th January, the birth anniversary of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji was celebrated. The Vivekanandans paid obeisance at Gurudwara Shri Jamni Sahib to remember our beloved Guru Gobind Singh. The history tells us that Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji came in that Gurudwara after the Battle of Muksar Sahib.
All Air Weapons Championship was also organized under the aegis of District Rifle Association Firozpur. It was held on Jan 20 at VWS shooting range. There was enthusiastic participation amongst the senior, youth and younger generations of vicinity. Various positions were bagged by the participants in different categories.
Virtual activities were also organized for the toddlers to make them understand the various concepts related to their syllabus. To enhance their curiosity, the teachers presented their topics with great innovations.
Parents-teachers meeting works as a connecting link between parents and teachers, as the parents know how the child behaves and is doing at home, while the teacher would know about the behavior at school. The union of the teacher's feedback and parents' concern can immensely help a child's educational journey. Parents-Teachers Partnership Program, that is PTM, was organized on 23rd January, in which the result of periodic test 2 was declared and parents were informed about the commencement of pre-annual test 1.
The 72nd Republic Day was celebrated on January 25th in the school premises. It was celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. The event began with the hoisting of the national flag. The school echoed with patriotic fervor as the children danced to the tunes of patriotism, sang patriotic songs, and even wore tricolored clothes to mark the occasion. Virtual fancy dress competition was also held for the toddlers of VWS, in which the students participated exuberantly.
In order to remember the martyrdom of Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekanandans visited Gandhi Garden on 30th January and offered the flowers at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi.
Now, this is the end of our news bulletin. Keep in touch with us.
Goodbye.